Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. In the previous class, we discussed child centered education and progressive education. In today's class, we will study one of the most important topics, which is constructivism, Piaget and Vygotsky. This topic is very important for CTET and frequently asked in exams. So, let us begin today's session. Constructivism is one of the most important concepts in modern education. It focuses on how learners actively construct knowledge rather than just revising information. This topic is frequently asked in a CTET exams. Constructivism means learners actively build their own understanding and knowledge. Key idea: learning is an active process. Students are not passive receivers. Knowledge is constructed through experience. Key principles of constructivism: learning is active and meaningful. Knowledge is constructed based on prior knowledge. Learning involves interaction with environment. Focus on understanding, not memorization. Piaget's view, cognitive constructivism. Jean Piaget focuses on individual cognitive development. Key ideas: learning occurs through assimilation and accommodation. Children construct knowledge through experience. Focus on stages of development, called cognitive constructivism. Key concept of Piaget: schema. Schema means mental structure. Assimilation. Assimilation means adding new information. Accommodation. Accommodation means changing existing knowledge. This process helps in a cognitive development. Vygotsky's view, social constructivism. Lev Vygotsky empathizes social interaction. Key ideas: learning occurs through interaction with others. Role of language and culture. Importance of guidance, called social constructivism. Key concept of Vygotsky: zone of proximal development means ZPD, scaffolding, role of more knowledgeable others MKO. This helps learners achieve higher understanding. Difference between Piaget and Vygotsky: Piaget, individual learning; Vygotsky, social learning. Piaget, cognitive development; Vygotsky, social interaction. Piaget, self-diversity; Vygotsky, guided learning. Role of teacher. In constructivism, teacher is facilitator, guide, supporter. Teacher helps students construct knowledge actively. Classroom implications. Teacher should use active-based learning, encourage discussion, promote problem solving, connect learning with real life. Important seated points: constructivism, learning activity; Piaget, cognitive constructivism; Vygotsky, social constructivism; ZPD and scaffolding, important concepts. So, friends, in today's class, we discuss constructivism and their ideas of Piaget and Vygotsky. We learn how students actively construct knowledge through experience and social interaction. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss teaching methods and strategies, another important CTET topic. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.